But first, I want to thank all of you who are coming out tonight to the first annual Rolling Rhythms Music Festival. Expect this to be an every year event. Expect this to become a race event. Expect this to be the biggest draw in Mid-Michigan for the summer. And I'm so excited you could join us for our first year.
From Alabama to the Pacific Coast. Austin, Texas to Ohio. Detroit City, yeah, that's where I am at.
River. It's River, everybody.
I'll be kicking out the jams, that's a matter of fact. That's what I said, baby. Well, I lost my mind, but I ain't lost my nerve. I ain't stopping till I conquer the world. I'm gonna ride.
Because they're windy.
Yes, I'm gonna ride. I'm gonna ride, ride, ride. Yes, I'm gonna ride. Well, I am gonna ride. Woo! Well, I think about tomorrow and on where I have been. While I'm smoking in the diner in the city of sin. When the judge's court order is the state I am in. I don't drink and drive, but I still party till 6. Yes, I'm gonna ride. Well, I am gonna ride. I'm gonna ride, ride, ride. Yes, I'm gonna ride. Well, I am gonna ride.